If you're a content creator struggling to grow your personal brand in 2026, then the tool I'm about to show you will change everything for you. In this video, we're going to talk about the only actual multi-tool that you need to be using if you're serious about growing your personal brand and taking it to the next level. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this another AI tool review? But listen, this one is different because by the end of this video, you're gonna see why huge content creators ditch their 500 a month AI tools and subscription tools just for this single platform. Let me paint a picture for you. You're probably already using ChatGPT for content creation, Claude for adding longer, and then something like Perplexity to do your research, and many other different tools to solve your problems. And here's the frustrating part. You're constantly switching between tabs, losing your train of thought, and losing context while switching between all of these tools. So let's say you start a conversation with ChatGPT about a great Instagram post outline that you want to make. But then you realize that Claude is actually better at writing scripts. So you have to copy everything, paste it into Claude, and then explain again what you want to do. The problem is that this is inefficient, expensive, and honestly exhausting. Some creators, or most creators, spend $20 a month for ChatGPT Pro, then another $20 a month for Claude Pro, and the list goes on and on and on. So by the end of the month, you're paying so much money for tools that don't even communicate with each other. So you're thinking, there has to be a better way, right? And you know what? There actually is a better way, and it's called Magi. Magi is the all-in-one AI platform that gives you access to over 50 premium AI models: ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, Perplexity, Grok, and even more, all in one single chat interface for the price of just one ChatGPT subscription. Think about that for a second. Everything you're currently paying for across multi-platforms, now all available in one place with one price. But there are 5 key features that are really interesting and are the game changers that separate Magi from everything else on the market, and are actually really essential for anyone looking to actually make and scale their personal brand in 2026. This is Magi's main feature. You're not just getting access to multiple AI premium models, but you get them working together seamlessly. Let's say you're creating an Instagram Reel script. You start with ChatGPT because it's fantastic at brainstorming and outlining. You get your structure down, then with one click you switch to DeepSeek, which excels at storytelling and making your script more engaging. Then maybe you need to simplify some complex concepts, so you switch to Claude. And if you don't know which model to use, Magi has an auto feature that just selects the best AI for your specific prompt. You just write and that delivers. Here's where things get even better for content creators. You know how in ChatGPT you can create custom GPTs that follow specific instructions? Magi takes that concept and supercharges it with what they call personas. You create your AI instructions once. Maybe you have a social media expert persona that understands your tone, your audience, your content style, and then you can use that exact same persona across every AI model. So your social media expert persona works with ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, everything. You have to only beat it once and then it will work with the rest of them. Magi even has a persona marketplace with over 50 pre-built personas that you can choose from and then integrate into your chats. This one's used for productivity. Instead of generating something in the chat and then copying and pasting it into a Google Docs or Notion, Magi has a built-in document editor that does that for you. You can draft entire blog posts, reel scripts, email sequences, whatever you need directly inside the chat, edit them in real time, and then export them as a PDF or Docs files. So that way you have all of your work happening in one single place. So you know that annoying moment when ChatGPT says that you've reached your limit and then you have to wait for 4 hours for it to cool down? No, that does not happen with Magi. There are no cooldowns or anything like that. If motivation suddenly hits you at 2 a.m. and you want to generate 50 video ideas, then you can't do that. And even if somehow you reach your usage limit, then you can just top it up without having to change plans or change something with your subscription. If you're working with an entire team, maybe you have a thumbnail designer or a content manager, then you can invite them directly into your chats. And that way they can see generation history, right? So what you've generated basically, see uploaded files, and also collaborate in the chat. That way you are all in one place collaborating and working like Google Docs, but for AI, and being able at the same time to use every single AI model you want. And you can also share entire chats via secure read-only links that you can send to your clients or collaborators so they can review your work without them having to have a Magi account. Now let's talk about pricing. The solo plan is only $20 a month. That's it. With that, you have access to 50 plus premium AI models, unlimited workspaces, and all the features I mentioned before. If you're working with a team, the team plan is only $40 a month, and it includes 5 more users and 3 times more usage. Now compare that to what you'd pay if you'd pay separately. $20 for ChatGPT, another $20 for Claude, another $20 for, who knows, Gemini, and now imagine you're paying 4 subscriptions monthly. That's at least $80 a month. And the main problem is you are still switching between platforms and losing valuable context. With Magi, you get all of that plus collaboration tools, document editors, personas, seamless models working all together for only $20 a month. So here's what I want you to do. If you're serious about scaling your personal brand in 2026 and you are tired of paying multiple subscriptions, switching between tools, and you are just exhausted from all this time that content creation takes you, go check out Magi. I've put the link in the description below. You can just start with a solo plan at $20 a month, and honestly, if you just try it for 1 month, you're gonna see the huge difference between you going through scattered AI tools and doing it perfectly. And here's the thing, content creators who are winning right now aren't the ones with the biggest budget. The ones that are winning right now are the ones that use tools like Magi to create content faster, in better quality, while spending less. The AI revolution isn't about having access to the most tools, because everyone has that nowadays. It's about having access to the most efficient ones, and Magi is the most efficient one that will help harness all the AI power and turn it into perfect personal brand content. So check out the link below, give Magi a try, and let me know in the comments what you honestly think about it. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you're subscribed to this channel, because every single week I'm gonna bring you the best new AI tools that exist out there that will help move the needle in your business. That's it, and I'll see you in the next one.